In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your contacts in Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web, which makes it easy to export a contact and send it by email in just a moment. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then open the official Outlook site. Once your mailbox loads, you're ready to move over to your contacts. On the left sidebar, look for the People icon. It looks like two silhouettes. Click that to open the People view, where all your saved contacts live. Find the person you want to share, and select the checkbox next to their name. Selecting the contact first ensures Outlook exports exactly what you need. Exporting only the selected contact keeps everything else private, which is especially useful when you just need to share a single record. At the top, open the Manage Contacts menu and choose Export Contacts. A small window will confirm what you're exporting. Click Export and Outlook will download a contacts file to your computer's Downloads folder. Depending on your account, this file may be a CSV or a VCF. Both are standard formats that the recipient can import into their own address book. Keep an eye on the file name so you can spot it quickly in your Downloads folder. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download bar or your system's Downloads folder. Now that the file is saved, you can share it by email. Click the Mail icon to go back to your inbox. Then select New Mail to start a fresh message. With the message window open, navigate on your computer to the Downloads folder. Click and drag the contacts file you just downloaded straight into the email draft. You can drop it into the body of the message or onto the attachment area, and Outlook will upload it. Wait for the attachment to finish uploading so it shows by name under the subject line. Larger contacts with photos can take a few extra seconds, so give it a moment until you see the attachment listed. That tells you the file is included and ready to be sent to your recipient. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Exporting creates a copy, so your original contact stays in Outlook. And because CSV and VCF are common formats, the recipient should be able to add the details to most email apps without any extra tools. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened People, selected a contact, exported it, returned to Mail, started a message, and attached the downloaded file. You're all set to share your contacts securely and professionally.